We're at Brown and Holmes in Tamworth. The company's been going since 1939, but you're actually big users of PSL Datatrack. But first of all, a bit of history on the company, please.
Well, like I say, we started in 1939, a small company, and over the course of the years, the company's grown to the company it is today, with a £6 million turnover.
Oh, yeah, you can see in the background all the machines, and you've got two sites. But what do you actually do?
We manufacture work holding, we make to print, and we do a lot of agency work as well, agents work.
Okay, so a lot of different aspects in terms of subcontract, machining design, work holdings. Get it all right here, and your agents for the rotary tables and robotics.
Yeah.
So I've got that all right, I hope. Controlling that must be an absolute nightmare.
It is, and PSL obviously helps with that, with the different arms and revenues within the business. We need tight controls on that, and the PSL system allows us to manage that basically.
Okay, so even just the basics like different letterheads.
Yes, different letterheads, the different modules within PSL that allow us to track quotes, orders, and the shop floor data collection, the parts going through the shop floor.
Okay, so you're using the system straight away from the sales and purchase orders, is that right?
That's right, yeah. So, like I say, from the initial inquiry, through quoting, through purchase orders, and then through delivery notes through to the end of the customer.
And keying all that data in, I suppose, is key to getting it right first time, but it's relatively straightforward.
Yeah, we've had it for a number of years, and over those years it's developed. It was a standalone piece of kit to start off with, and we've added bits to it and changed it over those years.
So just to reiterate, it is an off-the-shelf product, but PSL have been really helpful in terms of developing it to a bespoke solution for you guys.
Yes, it's very much a bespoke solution for us now. It's nothing like the original off-the-shelf kit that we had at the first place.
And that's, I suppose, key to what you do, because you're doing sort of one-off jigs and fixtures, is that right?
Yes, yeah. Everything is bespoke, and PSL works with us to deliver to the customers what we know.
I suppose key to that is communication with PSL, Jeff and the team.
Yes, yeah, they're very helpful whenever we need to get in touch with them, and probably get bored of hearing from us, to be honest with you.
Fair enough. But also, huge company, you're exporting as well, so do you use a system for that?
Yes, yeah, it's a multi-currency system. So we export, we use dollar, euro, and GBP accounts with the system as well.
And again, with the bespoke products, shop floor data, you're managing and using that as in the system?
Yes, yeah, we track the jobs for the shop floor, so we can see at any point where a particular item or a particular assembly is, and it gives us real-time data, yeah.
And simple to use, I'm assuming?
Yes, very simple to use, yeah.
So again, reiterating the sort of one-off bespoke sort of type of work you're doing, cost control must be key.
Yes, yeah, we need to keep tight control on costs and the modules inside that PSL.
So PSL have sort of developed that around what your requirements are?
Yeah, it's all, like I say, it's all bespoke, all been tweaked over the years to what we've got today, yeah.
A great system. So just a quick summary of how you use it and what do you think?
It's a brilliant system. We wouldn't be able to be where we are today without it.
Excellent. Steve, thank you very much. Brown and Holmes in Tamworth.